Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. I will be teaching you how to make salmon canapés. A canapé is a tiny little finger food which you pass around to guests at a party and they can just pick, one bite portion into their mouth. Follow me. Let me introduce you to today's ingredients. So right here we have cucumber, we have smoked salmon, we have caviar, we have cream fresh in a piping bag, and we have black pepper. Let's get cooking. First thing we're gonna do here is cut our cucumbers into about 1/4 inch size medallions like this. We're gonna break down the smoked salmon into smaller sizes by folding them so they can fit the top of the cucumbers. Cream fresh in a piping bag, just pipe little by little. California sturgeon, and then we garnish with some dill. And that's it for this class. I hope you enjoyed it.